Hello everyone, today we're looking at Invoice2go. This is a popular tool for small business owners who need to handle billing while they're on the move. In this video, we'll talk about what it does, how much does it cost, and if it's the right choice for your business in 2026. The main goal of Invoice2go is to make life easy for people who don't work at a desk. The mobile app is very clean and simple. You can create a professional looking invoice in about a minute. You can also send these invoices through email, text messages, or even WhatsApp. One of the best features is the open notification. The app tells you exactly when a client has opened your invoice. This is great because you will know when they saw it. You can also track your expenses by taking photos of your receipts. Pricings is where things get a little bit tricky. There are three main plans. The starter plan is the cheapest, but it only allows you to send 30 invoices a year. That's not a lot if you're busy. The professional plan is the next setup. It lets you send 100 invoices a year and connects to a tool called QuickBooks. If you need to send unlimited invoices, you'll have to pay for the premium plan. This plan is much more expensive, but includes phone support and lower fees for credit card payments. Biggest pro is the ease of use. It's very fast and looks professional. However, the cost can add up quickly. Some users feel that the lower plans are too limited for the price. If you only have a few clients, it's great. But if your business is growing fast, you might find the limits frustrating. Overall, Invoice2go is a solid tool for contractors and freelancers. It's built for speed and mobile use. If you want something simple and don't mind the price, it's a good pick. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.